What's up, guys? This is day 18 of Vlogmas. And guess what, guys? I could change my profile picture today. It's been a month. So I lost a bet to Hector. We got Gio. And who does that? Jay Uso. I like Jay Uso. But Hector bet me last month on the Raider Cowboy game, and I lost. So I had to change my profile picture. Also, I had to buy a jersey and post it up. Thanks, bro. Appreciate you.
He wants to be famous.
Want to be famous, Gio?
I already asked.
Hey, let's see you floss. Can you floss? No. What you rocking today? Crocs. What does it say on it? Bruh. I like the cut, bro.
You said that.
I like the haircut.
Bruh.
That's clean.
Thank you.
You look like your dad?
Yeah. It out.
This is what the boss man's got on. Got the New Balance. Yeah, your dad's the boss man.
I'm not home.
Dad's the boss man.
You're the owner.
Got on the Solar Red, Vapor Max,
Your mama?
and then David has on the ones. And then we'll see what Hector has on. Oh, I don't think so. For me, I got on some orange dunks. We got Hector. He got the AIG outfit on. He worked at the call center for a little bit. We got on the OG 3, the Black Cement 3s.
Worn by MJ himself.
Back in '88. But don't got much planned today. Had a couple haircuts. Gonna go do some dad stuff. Gonna go to Christmas parties. Gonna go to Christmas party for my sons. Then got practice this evening. Ain't really much going on today, but got a nice haircut. Thanks to Luis, who's not here, so you can't see his fit today. But I'm gonna go and introduce today the TPOB Go shaver. So I'm gonna do an unboxing of that, so you guys can see that and see how it works and all that. And I think that's all that I'm gonna include in this video. So if you're to this point, appreciate you. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, turn on post notifications. Let's get to this unboxing. All right, y'all, so we have the TPOB Go shaver here. There's the what we got for the branding with the pink grain splatters. This is the Go Shaver TPOB Pro, USB-C charging, velocity grips for enhanced control, 10,000 RPM motor, 4 hours of runtime. You got your TPOB Pro on the side, you got your Go on the side, Go on that side. And then on the back end here, we got a TPOB Pro Go Torque motor, 10,000 RPM digital motor for powerful, ultra fast, smooth shaving. Push the on button for instant full speed power. Gold hypoallergenic double foil system. Dual gold foils for the closest irritation-free finish. Independent floating cutters stay in perfect contact. Gold ion plating on the body for durability and style. Battery and LED system with 4-hour lithium battery. Circular LED indicator light. Green indicates that your battery is fully charged. Red indicates that there's 30 minutes remaining. Flashing red indicates that there's 10 minutes remaining. It does come with a charging dock with an illuminated TPOB logo. Red indicates charging. Green indicates that it's charged. USB-C fast charging. 2-hour charge for up to 4 hours of runtime. Velocity grips. Enhanced control and comfort for precision, fades, and cleanup. Ergonomic design, angled body with thumb controlled grip for comfort and accuracy. Now on this side here, we have a diagram of the actual shaver. You have your protective cover. You got your shaving foil, shaving blade, release button, which is on this side. You have your shaver home plate. That's right here. Or no, I'm sorry. Oh no, I said home plate. Shaver nameplate. Where's the TPOB Go? That's what it indicates there. You have your velocity grips, on and off button, LED ring display, USB-C charging port, and we'll go ahead and get into the box. Now we're gonna flip this open, and once we get inside here, you have your branding up on the top. You have the cartoon artwork and whatnot. You got the Play, the Psycho, you got TPOB himself, the charging mat, and then also inside we have a sheet that covers the product. So this right here is kind of like the sneaker releases. You know, they always have like sometimes they have a sheet covering whatever sneaker it is. Also in here we have the TPOB Go user manual if you need that for any tips on cleaning, utilization, just different things that you might need to know. So put that aside. Next up we have our charging dock. So this is the charging dock. So this right here, if it's on, it's gonna be either red or green. Now if it's red, it means it's charging. If it's green, that means that the battery's fully charged. Next up, inside this little compartment here, we have let's see what we got. We got a charging cord, a USB to USB-C. You have a cleaning brush, you have oil, and you have a charging block at the bottom. So that's everything that comes with that. And then we'll go ahead and open up the charger or the shaver so you can see that. So this is the shaver. There's your TPOB Go shaver. Very sleek, very minimalistic. I like that. I like the matte colorway. You can I like how this looks. So there's the TPOB and you have the Go branding. There's a foil shave head, the gold hypoallergenic foils. This is the release button that it speaks about. Press that, comes off. You can see the actual shaver blades. I did use this, that's why it's a little dirty, but I'm going to go ahead and close this back up. You have your power switch right here, and when you turn it on, it'll start showing green on the LED indicator light, just like so. So there it is, the double foil shaver, best shaver in the game, I promise you. But I'll show you guys how it fits inside the charging dock. So here's your charging dock. You're gonna go ahead and set it right in, and it sits just in there like that. Great tool to have behind your station. I'll leave the price point somewhere in this video so you guys can check out how much it is. But that is what we're working with for the shaver. So if you haven't used this, go check it out for yourself. Go to tpobusa.com, use code JBlends for 20% off of your purchase, and let me know what you guys think. Now, I will include some footage of how it works so you guys can see that before we close this up and get on to the next part of the video. We are in the line waiting to go to party with Kai and Michael, and Jordan is jumping. Say hop, hop, hop. What do you say? What are you eating, Jordan? Huh? What is that? Strawberries? What are you eating, Kai? Kai, you stuffing your face with sugar? Bro, chill. Let me see your ornament. Let me see. Show it. See. Are you the Rizzler?
Okay, bring your plate.
What is? Next, we're gonna go to Maddie's Christmas party.
You can?
She got held forward.
But I want to eat these. Bring two, just in case.
Just in case.
First grader with a backpack full of stuff.
We're not actually in table two.
Let me see your shirt.
Michael, what is it?
So this will be the Grinch's lair, and this will be the mountain. I forget what it's called, Mount Crumpus or something like that. I don't remember. Don't quote me on that. Christmas tree, Whovilation area, Whoville area, and there's my seat right there where I sit to narrate. Got the snow, and all this looks a lot better once the lights are dimmed and we turn on the lights up there. This is the final product we're looking at. We're gonna have the green lights up over here in the Grinch's lair. Then we're gonna have all the Who's up there and all that. And you have your different scenes. that we're gonna go do. Just got the Who's coming in. You got Mount Crumpet on there. We got the mayor comes in. We got a part where it goes all crazy. So that's what we're working with right now.
Oh, these fools! Oh.
Because I was wearing a beanie, but that'll do it for the video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button, smash like button, turn your post notifications. Let me know what you guys think of the Go shaver. If you haven't used it, go use it. Let me know. Use code JBLINS to save yourself 20% off at tpobUSA.com. And until tomorrow, God bless.